Let's taste all the new Swedish candies I got. This is incredible. I ordered these from Poppin' Candy. This is not an ad, by the way. I spend my own money on these. I mean, I am shook right now. It just smells so good. I'm like high in Swedish. Whoo! Look at the little mushrooms. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Excuse me. It just like melts in your mouth. It's like a marshmallow base. Look at that. My TMJ is so happy right now. They're like pure strawberry flavored. They smell so good and they're so delicious. I love the way they sound. Touching all of these because they're mine. Touchy, touchy, touchy. I don't know what this is. Ooh, sour. Like bubblegum. It's good. It's almost like bubblegum and licorice had a baby. Like not my favorite, but good. This is so fun. This is so fun. I'm so happy. Palette cleanser. Let's go for, I think these were the caramel mushrooms. That one doesn't look like a mushroom. This one does. See, it's got the little ridges underneath. Okay, that's harder and chewier than these. It's almost like bubblegum and then it starts to melt, but not too hard to where you can't chew it. It's like a foam. I love the texture. I've been wanting to try these for a long time. I think these are the banana bubs. Not the texture I was expecting. It's like chewy. It's like this mushroom and this mushroom had a baby texture wise. I don't like it. I love it. This is so dangerous. These are dangerous. Oh my God. Low-key, love the smell of these. Oh, let's try one of these colas. Kirsch Cola is what it says. Tastes exactly like cola. It has the texture of like a little bit stickier than a Swedish fish. When I tell you I have not had one of these be the same texture yet, it's thrilling. It's keeping me on my toes. These are so good. Nothing has been too hard yet on the TMJ. The strawberries. That smells insane. Yeah, I'm not getting that much strawberry with these. It's kind of disappointing because they're literally shaped like a strawberry. Thought the strawberry was gonna hit. Let's try these little octopus. Sour. What is that, like lime? They have such clean flavors. I don't love sour, but I like these. Let's try the yellow, see if it's different flavor. Yeah, this one's lemon. So what's this one? Some kind of berry. Wow. My kids are going to be fighting over these. I'm going to have to hide them or else everyone's going to have so many cavities. All right, let's try these bubs. I don't know what flavor these are. I do like the texture of these. It kind of just tastes like red licorice, but not that like strong strawberry. Like it's definitely trying to be a fruit, but it's not really. The yellow ones are better. These look insane. These puffy things, I think these were the strawberry ones, like strawberry puffs. I think they have jelly in the center. The gel is sour. That is fire. Oh my God. These are absolutely unreal. This is not even all of Swedish Candy I got. If I had to pick a favorite flavor-wise, these are crazy good strawberry. And I love the texture. They're really soft. The best gummy was this cola one. I like it because I love Swedish fish and it has a similar texture to Swedish fish. It just takes a little bit more effort to chew them. These little octopus, the sour ones, were surprisingly yummy. And I really like the banana bubs. Stay tuned. I'm going to be trying more candy from Poppin' Candy.